YouTube family, we back, man, as usual. What's going on with y'all, man? Another day, some more shoes to talk about, some more news to talk about, man. Today is March 21st, I think. Yeah, March 21st is the date, man. We did have the official release, sneakers app release, that is, of the Air Jordan 4 Nike SBs. I know y'all probably tired of your boy talking about them, but hey, man, I gotta talk about them because they had just been a hot topic, and I mean, I love them, bro. It's a fire shoe to me. I can argue and say that it's something to me. I don't even want to bring it up though, because like I said, it's too many shoes releasing, but you know what I'm trying to say, right? It's my sneaker of the what? I don't know, y'all. We just gonna have to wait and see, but man, dope shoe. Stock numbers, from what I heard, I don't, officially know if that was correct, man. I heard it was about 41,000 pairs that released on the sneakers app, man, and boy, was it a lot of L's. L's, no little dirt, no little dirt. L's up for them hitters. Bang! Yes, man. Hey, turn them L's into W's. I mean, I wish I knew a way of how to tell you to do that, but your boy takes so many L's himself, man. There's no real way for me to tell y'all how to get retail W's, other than, I mean, if you want something, sell something that you have that's old or something, and just end up paying resale, man. Your boy ended up having to pay resale on this pair, one of the pairs that I have, but I will talk about that in an upcoming video. Stay tuned. But with that being said, I think right now might be a good time to buy these shoes, man, because hey, I'm telling you, the prices of these is gonna shoot. They're gonna shoot up, man. So hey, just wanted to talk about these real quick, the SBs. Let me know down below in the comment section if you did cop a pair, as well as, did you cop any of the merch today, man? Y'all sleeping if you didn't, man. Did you cop any of the Outrank brand Jordan 4 Nike SB merch, man? Take a look at that, bro. Take a look at it. Grinding, bro. That's all I'm doing. Just grinding, man. Just grinding, man. But the grinding, you know what I'm saying, non-stop tee is available over at Outrank brand. As you can see, the greens hit so perfect. You know what I'm saying? You can get it over at Outrank brand today on their website. Use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy at checkout. It will save you some bread off of this merchandise right here. And of course, it is in limited quantities and online exclusive only. So this t-shirt will not be available at retail stores or anything like that. Although they do have some of their clothing inside of stores, this is a online exclusive only. So if you want the link to this shirt, it will be down low in the description. Check that out. Get you some fly gear to go with your SB4s, man. So that is it for these. Dang, bruh. Dang, man. So yeah, man. Hey, moving over to some things that your boy done picked up, man. Your boy did pick up a couple pairs of shoes. Like, bruh, I ain't gonna hold y'all. Your boy be buying stuff, and let me see what's the date on this. When did I buy this shoe? I bought this shoe, no cap, bruh, March 6th. See, look how long ago it be taking for your boy to show y'all this stuff. I don't know if y'all, yeah, I should be able to see that. March 6th, right above my finger right there, you can see 3/6. That is when I purchased this shoe, y'all, man. So, bro, I had this shoe for a minute. It's just, I had a lot, you know what I'm saying, to get into. But this was a shoe that I seen at my local mall. I thought it was dope, and I was like, let me go ahead and grab it, bro. So I did pick up this pair, clean in my opinion. This is a Air Jordan 1 Low, man. We still repping that low life, you know, spring, summer is coming up. So your boy's about to go crazy, y'all. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already, at JayTheSneakerGuy. Your boy's about to throw on a whole bunch of on-feet pics when it comes to these shoes during the spring and summer, man. So, but these are the Palomino Wildberry white Jordan 1 lows, man. Do y'all have any clue of what kind of Jordan 1 low that is, man? But that's the color blocking. Palomino Wildberry white, man. That sounds like a smoothie or something, bro. I need to get me one of them. But anyways, size 9. Your boy goes size 9, true to size on all my Jordan 1s, man. But that is it for the size tag on this one. When we taking a look at the shoe, bro, I know a lot of y'all probably gonna hate on it. Man, it already came out, man. Bang! That ain't go right there, man. These are the Air Jordan 1, I guess, Palomino joints, whatever it's called, man. But this shoe just caught my attention, man. It caught my eye, bro. It was on the shelf, and I was like, bro, it's something about that shoe, bro, that just, it's clean to me, bro. So I saw them on the shelf, and I said, do y'all got these in a Nina? And they was like, yes, we do have them in a 9. And I said, yeah, let me get them, because it's something about them that your boy Jay can get jiggy with. Bang! So here they go right here, man. These popped up at my local Hibbett Sports. I did have a coupon, so I got like $20 off. So I paid like 90, something like that, $96 or something like that for this shoe, man. But I think that these are different and clean at the same time, and of course, bro, of course, I think what brought me to them was the laces, y'all. No cap, man. I was like, bro, it's already done for me. The laces pop, bro. The purple pops, man. And it's crazy how, you know, that fashion sense, you know what I'm saying? Because check this out, right? If you guys know about Fabulous, yes, the rapper Fabulous, he is real big when it comes to like the fashion world. Like, he been putting it on, you know, since we can remember. Fabulous has been going crazy with his styling, as well as you got a couple others, of course, Conceited, you know, a couple other people that be putting it on, but Fabulous is one of them that your boy Jay personally, I'd be like, bro, I be looking up to his fits because he be going crazy with it. But speaking of Fabulous, right, a couple days ago, right, it's so crazy. Like I said, I had these since March 6th. Take a look at that picture, man. So there, your boy Fabulous does have on the same exact Air Jordan 1 lows. You can barely see them because he has some stacked camos hovering over him, you know what I'm saying? But that is the same exact Jordan 1s. He got on that dope vest to go with it. So like, just look at the fit, like the way he put it together. Crazy. I gotta salute him for that because he be putting it on, bro. But that is the same exact Jordan 1 lows that he has on his feet. Although you probably can't really see it because, like I said, what he has on, but it is the same lows, man. So I thought about it. Like I said, hey, great minds think alike, I guess, you know what I'm saying? But had these since March 6th. Dope shoe, just now getting to them, man. But y'all let me know your honest thoughts and opinions on these. I think that it's like, the colors are so like different, it's like it's gonna stand out that you can just do something crazy with these. You can put on a crazy fit with these, man. But let me know your thoughts on the Air Jordan 1 Low Palomino colorway, I guess is what they're calling these, but they dope, man. You can also throw some white laces in there and make them look clean, man. But here are these lows, the first set of lows that your boy did get. Let's keep it moving to that shoe that I had to double back and grab. Appreciate y'all. Bang, man. So this shoe right here is a shoe, bruh. It's crazy. I saw this shoe when I went to New York. I seen this shoe when I was at my local mall, like prior to them like making an official release, because this type of shoe, when stores get these shoes, they don't have an official release date to say. It was way before, of course, your Nike sneakers app and all them, not sneakers app, but Nike in general. Way before they put them out there. These were sitting in my local area. I showed them to y'all in the vlog and y'all was like, bruh, those are, bro, why don't you get those? Why don't you get those? And bro, fell victim to it. I saw them again and I was like, why didn't I get them? They didn't have my size the last time I checked for them in store, but they did restock. Shout out to Soul Links on Twitter. They did restock on Finish Line, which I do got a receipt right here, man. But take my word, Finish Line is where I did get this from. JD Sports Finish Line, they did restock them, and I got them, man. I think I was able to use a $20. I'm pretty sure. Let me look. I'm pretty sure I was able to use a coupon because you know they be giving you them reward points over at Finish Line. So I think I did use a coupon, and I got the. Is this an official receipt? Nah, this is a return label, man. But I know I used $20 off, man. So whatever the retail was, I got $20 off of that, man, on this shoe. But this shoe right here is the Air Jordan 1 Low SE, another low life. Y'all already know it, man. So another Air Jordan 1 Low. This is the white and black colorway. That's it, white and black, man. So size 9, of course, same size. And I guess the SCs are starting to come with this wing logo type style box, man. But this is the SC, like I did tell y'all. Popping open the lid. Hey, everything is crisp. It looked like these were just straight out the warehouse. Nobody touched it or nothing like that. But your boy had to pick up, man, the Air Jordan 1 Low. Bang! Concords, man. So yes, I had to double back and get them, man. Look, if y'all one of the ones that told me in my vlog, hey Jay, what you doing, man? You sleeping on them Concords. So this shoe did release in a low top form, and it does have a mid form, I want to say. Do it got a mid, or am I thinking about them what are them black and purple ones? I think they do got a mid form of this shoe, man. But either way, man, your boy had to go back and get these, and I've had this one as well, bro. I had this one since around the same time I had that other pair of Air Jordan 1 Lows. I just been busy, but man, I had to double back and get these. Bang! Air Jordan 1 Low Concords, aka the Michael Jackson. Yes. You know what I'm saying? These Michael Jackson joints, man. So they real shiny. This is the second patent leather style Air Jordan 1 Low that I do own in my collection. I did bring these out for that specific reason, to show y'all. Bang! This is the other pair that I do have, which is the Barcelona Lows right here, man. I still haven't worn them. These are DS, you know what I'm saying? Still unworn, but this, and of course, look at them, bro. Look at them, bro. Ready to shine on them, bro. Ready to shine on them. But your boy Jay, I ain't going nowhere from the low life, man. Your boy staying on the lows, and like I did say, summertime is coming up, so I will be throwing these on. But this is such a clean shoe after, like I said, double back and looking at them. You got the translucent outsole. One thing that I didn't notice, but I did notice when I did see them in store, like the last time when I was trying to get them, but they didn't have my size. I seen it does have like that Jordan 11 style font on the inside that says Jumpman Jordan. So this is a real Concord low, you know what I'm saying, modeled after the Air Jordan 11 Concords, of course. And I think that, hey, these are dope, man. So shout out to y'all, man. Y'all was telling me, but I was like, yeah, I'm good on them. But I could have been had these. Could have been had them, but I overlooked them when I was at my local mall. And hey, it's all good because your boy was able to catch them on a restock, and I got them for under retail, man. So here they go right here, man. I just wanted to show y'all my pickups. So your boy did pick up 2 pairs of lows, man. Cold. Let me know your thoughts on the low pickups, man. Y'all still rocking lows? Bro, these are some good looking summertime shoes, man. When I went to Miami last year, I was on South Beach, and I seen a lot of people rocking these lows, bro. The new style, not the old style, man. So it's big, you know, depending on the area that you live in, man. But I think that these are 2 solid pickups. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on these. And Air Jordan 4 Nike SBs, we're not through with that. I do have a movie coming up because of, like I said, the feedback y'all gave me on my early look. So I do have a movie. I will be doing lace swaps, on feet, all that good stuff. So stay tuned for that video. And I think that'll be the last time we talk about those, man. But more details on those coming soon in my next video. Other than that, thank y'all as always. Make sure you give this video a like. Your boy Jay is gone. I might have an early look. If you guys know about my new segment, early look is where I throw a shoe on feet for y'all, man. I might have an early look for y'all tomorrow because y'all went crazy on one of my videos. Bang! Yes, sir, man. So stay tuned for this video. Might be up tomorrow, early look on feet. If you haven't checked out this video, make sure you check this one out. It's the one I did yesterday, early. But other than that, your boy Jay is gone. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay safe. I'm out, man. Peace.